just like, can you go to the search bar there at the bottom and type Microsoft Store. Okay, open the Microsoft Store. Now in that store, search terminal, search terminal. Good. Let's open it. You see where it says Windows terminal. It says app. I think it's the fourth one on the line. Terminal, yeah. Yeah, there you go. Click there. Yep. Okay. Now let's click on it. That's it. That's okay. You see where it says get? Let's get. Get is going to what? Get will download it for you. So get and just hold on. So please try to always open your Ubuntu with the help of a terminal so that you can open the way mine too is opening, right?
Okay,
there
yes,
you go. Anyone else wants to share their screen after this? Because I really want to see you guys do your pull request. This is a very hands-on, thing. And so, all right, good. So that's downloading. But you guys have a fast internet at night, eh? Open. Click open. Good. All right. Now, do you see the drop down beside the plus sign over there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Click on the drop down and select Ubuntu. So select Ubuntu. Perfect. There you go. Okay, excellent. All right. Now let's what? Now, to do a pull request, you are going to be required to clone a repository. All right.
Yes, sir.
Now, that's what. Let me first of all see if you have access to this repository. Let's see. Maboh. Do you have? Because if you don't have access, okay, yeah, I see you have access. So what? You'll be able to. No. So you have not accepted the invite. Because of that, you will not be able to push. You're going to have you're going to get a permission denied. Okay. So to do a pull request on a join repo, you must be a member of that repository with write access. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So either you can go to your email now, and then you can try to like if you let's see, go to your inbox or go to the email, okay, that is associated with your GitHub account. Is it Outlook? What email do you use to create your account? To create your
my normal email, like my personal email.
So go to your personal email then. I see that you were sent an invite, so it's just for you to go to your inbox. I think that should be okay. Can you search? Oh no, that's over there. See, that's Uduak, right? Uduak invited you.
Yes, sir.
There you go. Click there. Please, if you have not, do it to what? Do it to accept it. View invitation. No, go to where it says view invitation.
Oh.
Scroll up. Okay, go to what? View invitation. There you go. Excellent. Now, it was what? You have to be signed into your GitHub account. Yep. Then what? You can accept invitation. Great. See that? Now, that's what? That is the repo. Do you see where it says code? Now what? Let us clone that repository. So if you click on that code, on the code right there, click there. Yeah, just what? Just copy the URL. Click there and what? And copy there you go. Now what? Let's go back to your command line. So what? That is the process. Okay. No. Open your terminal. Not that one. Terminal is good. Okay. That's what.
Yes,
That
sir.
is how you start the Git process. First, what? You clone the repository that you want to collaborate on. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now let's clone the repo. What's the command that you're going to run to clone the repository? What's the command to run? Is exactly git clone, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
type git clone and then space, no, git clone, control V to paste the URL you copied, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, git clone, control V, space, control V, enter. There you go. Excellent. Now let's run ls there. Okay, you see that now we have what? Do you see? It says it says what? Okay, so that's the repo, right? It says what? Class what? Class 23. Now let's what? Let's cd into that particular directory. Cd into it. Into just type cl and then hit the tab key. Hit the tab key. Yep, there you go. It auto completes, right?
Yes,
Enter.
sir.
Okay. Now run Control Plus to increase the font size so everybody can see what you're doing. Control Plus. So press the control button. Yeah, there you go again. There you go.
Is it okay?
That's it. Okay. Now what? Now that you are in the repo, let's run what? Run git log. Then what? You're going to see what? You're going to see what everyone else has been doing on that repository. See that?
Yes, sir.
Voila. You see that? So who was the most recent author to work on that repository? See that? At what time? You can see Lighter Academy, right? Work on that repository. You can see what engine you produced and all of that. So what? Those are the actors who are actively working on that repository. Now, when you run git log, how can you get out of that loop? How can you get out of there? Just press the Q button. Press the Q button. There you go. See that? So each time you run git log, you get into that loop. All you have to do is what? Is to press the Q button. Okay?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
if you run ls there, okay, good. Let's what? Let's veer into the file called class 20. Oh, no, what? That's what? Let's just touch a file called Maboh. So create a file called Maboh. Touch Maboh. There we go, right? Okay, good. Now what? What can we do now to add? So let's run what? Run git status now. Git status. See that? Now
Yes,
what
sir.
command can you run now? To move that to the staging area. You run what? Run git add. Git add. Okay, no. Git add dot. Git add, either git add Maboh or git add dot. Okay. Dot, do a dot. Yeah, there you go. Is it, no, yeah, it's fine, still fine. That's okay. No, not dot Maboh. It's just Maboh. Okay, that's fine. Okay. Now
Yes, sir.
that what you do now? Now you want what? You want to be able to create a branch because what? You want to do a pull request, right? And you cannot commit on the master branch. How can you confirm the branch on which you are working? Run git branch. Git branch. See that? You're what? You're working
The master.
on the master branch. Therefore, what? You don't want to commit on the master branch, right? So let's create a branch. What's the command? Git branch and then the branch name. Git branch and the branch name. Let's call it Maboh. Okay. Excellent. Now let's confirm how many branches you have. Again, what's the command? Git branch. So if you press the up arrow key, you can just see the most recent command that you just typed. You don't have to always type this again over and over. Okay, but it's okay. Hit enter. Now, how many branches do you have now? You have two branches, right?
Branch. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
And the master branch.
Exactly. Now what? Let's switch to Maboh branch. What's the command? The command is git checkout. So run git checkout Maboh. Git checkout Maboh. Okay.
Yes,
There you
sir.
go. It says what? Switch to what? Switch to Maboh branch, right?
Yes, sir.
Now we can commit our work at this moment. Let's what? Run git commit. Git commit. Okay. Space. No. Okay. Good. Okay. Now, you see how it says, tell me who you are?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, this is exactly what happens. Okay. Why? Because what? It is going to record you, as an author on the system. So what? It needs to know, hey, who is about to save this work? If something was to go wrong, who are we going to hold responsible? Right? So do you see where it says run and you see those two commands? You can just copy it and paste and then change the uexample.com to your email and do the same thing for your name. See the example I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
See that? Now you can copy that from git config. You can copy all of that first line and paste it, and just change just the, yep, there you go. Copy that. No, just the first line. Copy everything plus the code. Yep, there you go. Thank you. Yeah. Okay, paste it there. Just do a Control V. Oh, you know what? Don't worry. So let's just run git config, okay? So type that is fine now. Good. Now let's what? In that bracket, change that email to your email. Just click anywhere there and use what? So learn to use your arrow keys. It's going to be so easy.
Okay, sir.
Use the arrow keys. Bring your arrow key. Bring your cursor in those brackets. Perfect. Now what? Hit the back arrow key now. Back arrow is going to delete, right? Perfect. See that? Now what? Stop there. Then what? Type your email now.
So like my personal email.
Any email you want. It can just be a fake email even. See, okay. Okay. Now hit enter. Great. Perfect. Okay, now let's copy the second command that has to do with your name. So again, if you just go up again, there you go. Copy that and paste it, and then use your cursor. Don't use the mouse. Just use your arrow keys. Yep, there you go. Backspace.
Yes. Okay now.
Okay, good. Now let's what? Let's again what? Let's do our commit, right? Let's do git again. Git commit. No, git commit. That's the command. Git commit. Okay. Commit is double M. And then what? Space.
Double A.
No. Space. -M. Okay, and then what? Space again. Now open two brackets, like open, two brackets. Is it no? Double quote, not the bracket, okay? Double quote. So yeah, there you go. Open one again. And then in between those quotes, type anything there. Say what? This is what? This is my first PR. Signed Maboh. Engineer Maboh. Can you imagine? Next year, you surely have a job at MTN, working as a senior
Yes.
DevOps engineer. Maybe, okay, good job. Now what? Let's press enter. Okay, great. Okay. It looks like okay. Hold on 1 second. Why is it saying that you run that again? Oh, okay. I get it. Oh no. Okay, so this is where you made the mistake, right? Now go back. Copy the one that says name, not email, because what it like you
Yeah.
copied you copy, yeah, exactly. Thank you so much,
Okay.
Mr. Moses. That's good attention seeking. So copy that one, the one that has .name, not okay. The user .name. Copy it. Anyway, I appreciate you though, because not everybody has this courage. Okay, copy that. But you guys can bear me witness, right? This is how you're supposed to learn, The ones that has to be done in class like this, what we do it now, just run Control V. And what? All you have to do is what? Exactly now what? Just change that and put your name there. No, make sure, yeah. Okay, now just what? Run the up arrow key. Press the up arrow key. The up arrow key on your keyboard. Again. No, it's okay, it's fine. Now what? Hit enter there. Perfect. See that? It now what? It went through. Now, do you see it says one file change, 0 insertion, 0 deletion? That's what? That is Git versioning. Now what? Run git log to see if your commit was recorded. Okay, git log. There you go. Do you see that? The most what? The most recent commit is what? Is that of Maboh, right? Wednesday, blah, 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 blah. Now, do you see that it actually recorded your own time? Like now it's 2 a.m., right?
Yes.
Exactly. This is proof that what I Git is a distributed version control system. Now, let's push. So what? How do you get out of there again?
Yeah.
Exactly. See that? Very easy. So I can't wait to see people posting on the help desk. I can't get out of here. Blah 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 blah. Okay, great. All right. Now, let's see what we got now. Let's push. So again, or type git branch to see what branch you're working on, because that's the branch you're going to push to. Please, this video where I'm directing her is one of the most important video on on pull request. You want to keep it somewhere. Now let's run git push. By the way, okay, let's confirm the branch we are on. Let's run, the URL, right? Let's run what? Let's run git remote -v git remote -v. Get remote space -v. Enter. Okay, great. So now, do you see that the alias is origin, right? Let's run what? Now let's push, right? Let's run what? Let's run git push origin. Git push origin Maboh. Okay. Now it's going to ask for your username. Good. So let's go to your GitHub. Okay. Let's go to your GitHub account. Let's go what? Let's go and so we are going to do two things. First, we're going to what? We're going to first of all create what? Create your personal access token because you need that to be able to to push.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so go to your GitHub. Go to your GitHub.
Please.
Yeah, thank you so much, Pascal. That was a good one. Doesn't mean now that it now registers the email as Maboh rather than. Oh yeah, it's still fine. It's still okay. It's just, but you know what? She can always correct that. Oh no, open your GitHub account. Like go to the browser and open your GitHub account there. I don't know if it was Microsoft Edge or Google. I think if yeah, there you go. Yeah, that it is okay. So let's maximize that page. Okay. Now what? If you go to your profile section, do you see where it says settings? I cannot see it from here. No, profile section. This is taking quite long. Oh, okay. You know what? Press the back arrow key from where you are. No, the back arrow button. They go back on the browser, right? The back arrow. Great. Now, if you go up to, do you see that at the other corner, you see a profile section there? There you go. Perfect. Now let's go to settings. So what? That's what. So your what? Your username is what? Your username is Maboh Love, right? But what? Let's go ahead and create what? Your personal access token. So go down to developer settings on that same line. Scroll down to developer settings. So scroll down on the other side. Yeah, you're going to scroll down. There you go. See that? Click what? Click on developer settings. And then what? Let's click on what? Yeah, personal as token. Then what? Classic token. Excellent. I like that. Okay. Again, go to the other end and what? Click on get what? Classic token. There you go. Okay. Now just give your token a name. Give your token a name. Okay. There you go. And then what? Just select. Do you see where it says repo? Select what? Select everything on the repo. Just click on repo. There you go. And then let's scroll down and create the token. Perfect. So what? We have done almost 3 things here. Create our token for authentication, right? Good. Now you want to copy that token. Copy it and I'll show you where to save it. Copy the token. Okay. Now let's just minimize that page for now. We'll come back there when we push. Okay. Now what? I'm going to show you guys, an editor on your laptop that you can use. Now let's search for Notepad. There's an app on your computer called Notepad. Just start typing Notepad. That's what. Now run Ctrl V. Okay. There you go. Now run what? Type Ctrl S to save it. Just run Ctrl S. Okay. Just save it. Don't worry. Just click on save. See that? Now what? Your token is saved on your computer. Save it. There you go. Okay. Is it saved? It's okay. It's okay. Maybe you can change your name because you can call it my token or anything. Okay. And what now you can save it. Good. Makes sense. So that's what. Let's minimize that. Now where it says what type Maboh. No, Maboh love, right? That's what yeah, it's what Maboh love. That's username, Maboh love. Now hit enter. Okay, now what? Just run Ctrl V and just enter. Ctrl V once and enter. Enter. There you go. Perfect. See that? Now what? You've been able to create your first pull request. Now, do you see how it says create a pull request for what? For Maboh on here by visiting blah 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 like that. Now what?
Yes,
Let's go back to GitHub again. Maybe I should unmute everybody so that we can have a conversation. Let's go back to your GitHub now. And what? I'm going to allow your mics, okay? Let's do it together. It's good to have a conversation. I love this type of session because it just, I make everybody a lecturer. There we go. So now you can contribute if you want. Okay, so let's okay, now just hit again on the back arrow on the browser and let's go to the repository itself. There you go again. Oh, you know what? Just click. So do you see the GitHub icon logo just beside settings there? Perfect. Let's click there. Good. Now, so it says what? Top repository. If you just look at below that, you see what? The Lion Tech Class 23. Let's click on that repository. Now, see that? Do you see it says what? Maboh had what? One recent push, right? One recent push. It says what? Create, compare, and what? And create pull request. Now what? Let's click on there. Click on compare and create pull request. So that now you can what? You can add a title, you can add description, you can assign. The most important aspect of a pull request is what is there. It's the part where you have to assign reviewers. And in the corporate world or really in a working environment, you will not proceed unless your reviewers have given you feedback. They have to review. Okay, and you cannot merge your own pull request. That's not best practice. Now, do you see where it says reviewers? If you click on reviewers, click on reviewers. There you go. You can select anybody, you can type. Okay, how about you make Udwak? So search for Udwak. Start typing UD. Yep, make Udwak a review. See that? There you go. Select Udwak. And then what? You can leave a comment there. So where it says write, you can say please review my pull request and provide feedback, right? And then what? Udwak is going to get an email notification that a pull request has been assigned to her. Very, very important. Interview question. Walk me through the process of creating a pull request. This is what you just did. Okay, now what? You come down and click on what? Create pull request. Now, Udwak, I want you to immediately Okay, you know what? Merge that pull request. Review it, leave a comment, and merge. See that? There you go. That what? That becomes the the best practice. Okay, so what? You have what? You have been able to create your pull request. Now, through this process, does anyone has a question? Joe, is it clear? Uh, okay, let's see that. Yes, Moses?
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah. Well, okay. Today I had a wonderful experience when it comes to this particular push origin.
Okay,
So as at the time that I signed in my push origin request, then the next thing, I just saw it pop out of like